unrolled and feel, observed by, it's hard to say, it is a sign instead of crime.